2024 is coming. When are you gonna start learning your valuable skill? Today we're discussing 3 high-income skills you should learn in 2024 to future-proof yourself, whether you're looking to switch career or simply enhance your skill set. These skills are in high demand and can lead to lucrative opportunities. Number 1, video editor. Video editing is at its highest demand currently as I'm speaking. You might say, man, AI is gonna replace video editors, and it's not good. But no. Simply no. An AI cannot edit videos like this video, the one you're watching right now, or even simple trimmed videos. Most of them are just broken. I've tested so many AI video editing apps and websites. Well, I gotta say the videos are simple and boring. Maybe in 3 or more years, just maybe it gets better and can recognize how you exactly want the video to look like. So start from now. I personally learned this skill all from YouTube. I didn't pay a single penny for a course. However, a course will make you learn faster if you buy the right one. It can take you 3 to 6 months or maybe a year to become a professional video editor if you stay dedicated and spend 2 to 3 hours every day on learning. But what if I told you you could start making money after 1 month of learning? Go to freelance websites like Fiverr or Upwork. There are thousands of people who want their videos to be edited. Now, if you know yourself as a professional editor, you can go for creative demands and difficult videos to edit. But if you're a beginner and you know the basics, you can go for simple and easier videos. Create a good profile and history on these websites. It's hard at first, but it gets easier. You can also edit for YouTubers or any content creator on platforms like Instagram. You just gotta know how to get the job. I recommend doing a free edit for them from their previous videos, send it to them, and then your chances are gonna be higher. Learn video editing and how to use freelance websites. It's hard, but you can make up to $5,000 or more every single month. Now the next one, YouTube. It is not for everyone, but if you truly stay consistent and do it with a strategy, you can make a good living from it. When it comes to YouTube, there are so many ways to make money from it. AdSense is not the only option. Sponsorship, selling courses and information, giving services are other examples. You also gotta know that nowadays vlog channels probably don't work anymore. You also gotta know what niche to choose. Some niches are high in CPM and some are low in CPM. By the way, CPM is how much you're getting paid over 1,000 views on YouTube. Number 3, sales. A timeless skill. One of the most useful skills for life. Wherever you go, whatever you do, mastering this skill is going to change your whole entire life. We're not talking about just 5K, 10K per month. We're talking about way more than that. Sales skills are crucial in various industries and can significantly impact someone's success in sales related roles. Do your research on these skills that I've talked about and pick one. Then start it immediately. Take the action and stay dedicated. You're going to see the results of your hard work one day. I hope it was useful and you enjoyed the video. Until next video, I'm out of here. Peace.